All right, so here's another big idea. Measure what matters. I've shared sa previous video ko na business is a numbers game, right? In order for you to last, you need to monitor your numbers. Kasi if hindi, baka next month wala ka na, right? So today I'm gonna share to you 5 key points that matters. And if you will stay up until the end, I'm gonna give you the tools that we use to make sure that we are on track, not only for our business, but also for the clients we work with. So 5 key points. Number one, you need to have an idea of the numbers that you need to monitor. As a founders, hindi lahat ng numbers kaibigan mo. You only need 3 to 5 metric na imo-monitor on a regular basis, like daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, or annual. So you can only track the numbers that you see, and you can only scale it if consistent yung monitoring mo. Right? So number two, you need to track the leads and the lags. The leads are your key metric or the key performance indicator. The lag are the key performance activity. So these are the activities that needs to be done to make sure na byproduct na yung result, which is the lead indicator. And then next is, schedule and maintenance, right? Parang sasakyan lang yan. Pag araw-araw mo siyang gagamitin, may mga masisira at masisira dyan. And the best way to monitor na hindi ka masiraan sa daan is to make sure na i-check mo siya, schedule mo siya, right? There are 3 things that you need to schedule a maintenance. For us, on a weekly basis, meron kaming audit for our traffic. How good are we in terms of generating prospect? For sales, we audit our conversion rate, opt-in rate for our sales acquisition. And for the delivery, are we fulfilling our promise, our product, service? So, and troubleshoot your traffic line, right? Regular po tayong nagka-campaign, regular po tayong nag-create ng system. You wanna make sure na monitor mo if kailangan mo siyang i-continue, kailangan mo siyang na-verify mo na maganda siya, yung sistemang nilagay mo. And is it now time to stop? Right? The best way to monitor if the systems or your idea is gonna work is if you test it, right? Never assume, always test and verify. So, for us as founder, meron tayong scorecard. For me, I had the leads, clients, churn, revenue, and profit that I need to monitor on a regular basis. For your team member, sa team leader scorecard, ito siya. KPI, yung frequency, anong department, sino yung assigned dyan, ano yung key performance activity that needs to be done para ma-hit natin to. And you have the idea. Also, kailangan meron ka ding idea sa target na you need to hit. Then you monitor it on a regular basis. Right? So, if you want a copy, comment scorecard so that the team know kung sino to, kung saan namin siya isi-send. Or kung hindi man kayo nasendan, mag-message na lang kayo sa page. So I hope I was able to provide value to you today. If I was able to provide value today, let me know in the chat. Should you have any question, let me know also in the chat. And I should be able to get back to you if time permits. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat. See you next time. Buyers.